Okay, so I wanted to explain a little bit about this problem that you were having questions on the portfolio. The question says the perimeter of a paved area being built at a playground is going to be 46 meters. So the perimeter is all the way around the edge. The perimeter is like the fence line of a property. If the length and width are each whole numbers of meters, then what should be the length and width of the area to cover the greatest possible area? Draw a picture and make an organized list to solve. So I started over here with the smallest or the easiest 1 meter by 22 meters. So if this is 1 meter and then the top side is 1 meter, this side 22 meters and this side 22 meters. If you add it all up, which is what you do to find the perimeter, 22 plus 22 is 44, one more is 45, another is 46. So that gets us at this 46 meters. But what I want to know is the area, the inside area that's being covered. And to find that, you say the length times the width. So the length is 22 times 1 meter. So the area of this particular one right here is 22 meters squared. So I would keep that down here. So I'm going to come right down here and say that first one is 22 by 1, and it equals 22 meters squared. So let's look at the second one. The second one is 2 meters by 21 meters. That would give us a perimeter of 46. But again, we're trying to find the area that covers the greatest amount. So let's take it over here, and we have 21 meters times 2 meters. And that area would be 21 times 2 would be 42 meters squared. And again, the perimeter, the outside edge, is 46. So let's go to the next one that I drew. Oops, I'll take that away. The next one that I drew, I had 3 meters across and 20 meters down. If you add it all up, 20 plus 20 plus 3 plus 3 is going to be 46 for the perimeter. But for the area, I'm going to say 20 times 3, and that's going to equal 60 meters squared. And I'm going to keep on. I drew several of these. I didn't draw all that you could draw, but I drew several. And if you remember from the lesson, the closer it is to a square shape usually involves the greatest area. So we can see the area is getting bigger and bigger when it's not so tall and skinny. So let's look at this next one. It is 4 meters by 19 meters. You add it all up, and it equals 46. And we have 19 times, where's my times? Times 4. And that equals, I got to do that in my brain, 36, 76 meters squared, I believe. So let's look. I skipped up several. Now, there'd be a lot of different ones in between here, but I skipped on up here. Let's look at 9 meters by 14 meters. If you add 9 and 14 and 14 and 9 all around, you're going to get 46. If I do the area, the length times the width, then 14 times 9, I believe that's 36. That's going to be 126, I believe, meters square. So you can see that the area is getting bigger and bigger as it's getting closer to looking more like a square. Now, I haven't shown you all the possibilities, but I've shown you 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I didn't show you a 5 meter, a 6, a 7. And it can get a little bit larger than 9 by 14. But that is the pattern that you would find. And you're looking here to see which one of these has the greatest area. And that would determine your answer. So I hope that helps a little bit. And if not, we can chat tomorrow.